Welcome to Ningning Mandarin. Happy Chinese New Year! 12 Chinese zodiac signs, 12生肖 in the 12-year order. 鼠年 Year of Rat, 鼠年。牛年 Year of Ox, 牛年。虎年 Year of Tiger, 虎年。兔年 Year of Rabbit, 兔年。龙年 Year of Dragon, 龙年。蛇年 Year of Snake, 蛇年。马年 Year of Horse, 马年。羊年 Year of Goat, 羊年。猴年 Year of Monkey, 猴年。鸡年 Year of Rooster, 鸡年。狗年 Year of Dog, 狗年。猪年 Year of Pig, 猪年。In this new year, I published 2 books, Chinese Conversations for Beginners and Chinese Conversations for Intermediate. These 2 consistent books are designed to help you to master spoken Chinese, to learn Chinese with stories, and to discover China with authentic languages and cultural insights. You can order on Amazon by the link below. And thank you so much for watching this video. May you enjoy a wonderful Chinese New Year. If you enjoy it, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.